What's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? So I decided to do a small vlog. I'm on my way to Office Depot to get some ink. But y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all a few things that you don't do in 2020. Are just the don'ts of 2020, periods. Yes, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So number one, everybody should know this, but I do it all the time and it sucks, is when I leave my mask at home. Do not leave your mask at home. Oh my god, you need extra masks. You need some mask in the car. You need mask at the house. OMG, it's that serious. Like, I'm not even being like dramatic. They won't let you in nowhere without a mask. Like, yes. So that was number one. Do not leave your mask at home. They will not let you into these places without mask. At least not in my city. You ain't getting in nowhere without no mask. Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna go to number two. So number two is going to be wearing a full face of makeup. I promise you guys, on a regular day, on a regular schmegular day, you're not gonna see me with makeup. Only time I wear makeup is when I have to record, kind of like today. I wanted to get some videos out of the way, so that's why I did my makeup today. Plus it's Friday. Plus I wanted to show off my fire eyelashes. Sheer coincidence, my eyelashes. But yes, I really wanted to show off my bomb eyelashes. Sheer coincidence. These are in Lucid Lavender. Do you guys see that? They are so pretty. OMG. These are my favorite. I have 3. Ooh, OMG. Yay. Yes. I have 3 in total, you guys. 3 eyelashes. I have Mellow Mint, Lucid Lavender, and Nude Rose. I think Nude Rose is like the shortest, but it's really chunky. That's what I love about these lashes. They're so fluffy and chunky. OMG, these are the longest ones. They are my favorite. These are, okay guys, these are actually my favorite pair that I have on right now. They are Lucid Lavender, and I just love them so much because they're so long and big and fluffy, and that's just how I like my lashes. But like I said, I do have 3 different styles, but of course I will show you guys all 3. But yeah, I just wanted to wear these today. They are so pretty. Anyways, you guys, so I have to go out and I have to get some ink from Office Depot. So I have to wear my mask. Like I said, yeah, I don't like wearing masks when I wear makeup, because this, like, it took time and it's very beautiful. Even though with my mask, I get a lot of compliments. Anyway, but like with my mask, I still get a lot of compliments on my eye makeup, because I try to get my mask to match my eye makeup a little bit. I'm trying to put this right here. I'm not gonna put it on until I have to go in there. And I have to go to Dollar Tree too, because I have to get like this. I'll show y'all. Oh, let's vlog. I'll show y'all. I gotta get this thing that I can use to pump my witch hazel into my bottles, because I know that pouring it will definitely make a mess, so I don't want to do that. So I'll show y'all. Like I said, I'll show y'all. So let's go ahead and get this. I really want to get this out because I want to get back home so I don't have to wear a mask. I don't want to wear a mask. I really want to chill out. Honestly, I'm tired. Anyways, on to the next scene.
Alright guys, so right here I had to do a voiceover because we were looking for ink, but we could not find the ink that I needed. And if you're wondering what's going on here, this is me looking at him telling me that he can't find ink in stock, and I'm just looking at him like, what you mean? Like, you got some in the back? Like, that was me. Like, I was like, do you have some in the back? because I need that ink because I wanted to be able to make my shipping labels at home. So I really needed that ink. I was like, do y'all got something in back stock? But yes, I ended up deciding to order the ink inside the store. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just about to go order it, give him my information. Hey cutie, hey pretty.
I'm sorry. I just turned 24.
Oh, when was your
My
birthday?
was on the 13th of July.
Oh, happy belated. See, you a Cancer?
Cancer. Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Yeah. Then makes it bad. Me and my little sister birthday on the same day.
Oh,
So she turned 21.
Really? Okay. Y'all up there.
Yeah.
It's time.
Yes.
Alright guys, so here I just decided to go ahead and order the ink while I was already in store. So this was just me giving him my information so that he can ship it to the house. So yes, I ended up ordering both of my inks that I needed in the store. Alright guys, so basically they didn't have my ink, but I got a chance to order it. But I got a chance to meet Trayvon. He was super nice. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head to Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna show y'all this little pump thing that I was talking about. I should take this to the car, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in here. Hopefully I can just pick up one item. I can't never just come in here and pick up one item. Alright, so here you guys, I was just looking for the pump. I was like, oh no, they don't have the pump. Where is the pump? And then boom, the pump was hiding. I found the pump. This is the pump that I was going to use, that I am going to use to pump the witch hazel into my crystal infused misks. It makes it easier. That's why I wanted it.
What's up, you guys? This is day 2 of my vlog. So as y'all seen yesterday, I had to order my ink. So right now I'm heading right back to Office Depot. This is actually this is the very next day, and I am about to ship off my packages to the people who order early from me, which are actually my 2 best friends. Anybody else who order early from me, they just gonna have to pre-sale with me, and I have to ship out their packages all at the same time. But these are my best friends, and plus I need some pictures from them for my website. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and send it off, so I can show you guys my packaging. Well, you guys probably already seen my packaging, but yes, I'm heading to Office Depot, and then I gotta go to Walmart to get a money order, because you guys, I tried to order my business. I tried to use a starter check, and they would not let me use a starter check to order my business license. But I'm not tripping. It's okay. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and I'm gonna get a money order, or I'm gonna ask them if they do money orders at Office Depot, because I would rather just go to one place and then go home. But this is my packaging, you guys. I have 2. They say thank you, and they're so nice. I'll let y'all see what's inside. You guys will be able to see what they ordered. Okay guys, so I'm at UPS right over here. We're gonna see if I have better luck. So I only have 2 packages to ship off, so hopefully I have better luck today than I had at Office Depot, and hopefully they let me ship what I need to ship. And we in there, and I got my baby stuff shipped out thanks to UPS, which is amazing. And I think I'm about to have another order, because the girl is asking me about orders. So I'm probably gonna have to come back here and get her stuff shipped out today, so that she can have that ASAP. Tanisha, she's gonna have hers earlier, because I had to pay, because it was so heavy that I had to pay for extra shipping. But it's okay, because she spent a lot of money with me, so I'm not even tripping about shipping. UPS is the GOAT. this probably is gonna be the place I go to instead of Office Depot. But Office Depot is just closer to home. So yes, I have them shipped out, and like I said, I'm probably gonna have to come back, but it's only like 5 minutes from my house, which is not bad. So I can just get that shipped out today probably. So yes. Hey.